If you are a creator, filmmaker, or small studio, you know how fast storage costs can add up. Between raw footage, project files, and backups, cloud storage becomes essential, but it needs to be affordable and reliable. Two names you will hear a lot when it comes to budget-friendly cloud storage are Backblaze B2 and Wasabi. Both promise low-cost, high-performance storage, but they handle pricing and performance a little differently. Let's dive into how they compare and which one might be the best choice for creators. Backblaze B2 has built its reputation on being simple, transparent, and inexpensive. It is pay-as-you-go cloud storage with no complicated pricing tiers or hidden fees. You pay for what you store and what you download, and that is it. The platform is known for reliability, great integration with backup tools, and easy setup. It is especially popular among video creators, photographers, and small teams who need large, affordable storage that just works. One of Backblaze B2's biggest strengths is its ecosystem. It works with tools like Synology, Veeam, and even direct integrations in editing software through S3-compatible connections. That means you can plug it into your existing workflow without needing a lot of technical setup. Upload speeds are solid, and the interface is clean and intuitive. It might not have as many advanced features as something like Amazon S3, but for most creators, it covers everything you need: reliable storage, quick access, and predictable pricing. Wasabi, on the other hand, approaches affordability in a slightly different way. Instead of pay-as-you-go, Wasabi offers a flat-rate pricing model that includes free egress and API calls. That means you do not pay extra when you download your files or access them frequently. For creators who move big files in and out of storage often, that can make a big difference. Wasabi's tagline could easily be "no hidden costs." You pay a flat rate per terabyte of storage per month, and that is it. Performance-wise, Wasabi is impressive. Upload and download speeds are fast, and it uses enterprise-grade data centers with 11 nines of durability. That is a lot of reliability. The interface feels professional, but still easy enough for non-technical users. It also supports S3-compatible connections, which means you can use it with the same apps and tools you already use for other cloud storage providers. So, how do they compare in real-world use? Backblaze B2 tends to be cheaper if your workflow involves storing a lot of data but not constantly downloading it. The storage rates are low, and as long as your egress costs stay light, you will save money month after month. Wasabi becomes more cost-effective if you need to access your data frequently. Its flat-rate pricing means you do not have to worry about surprise bills if you download a lot of footage or sync files often. In short, Backblaze B2 wins on raw storage cost and simplicity, while Wasabi wins on predictable pricing and accessibility. Either way, you are getting secure, high-performance cloud storage built for modern creators who want to save money and keep their work safe for years to come.